Hey guys, it's Nick with Sanquist PE. I got a quick question for you. What's your favorite bear? Is it a grizzly bear, a black bear, or my personal favorite, a polar bear? Today, we are going to be learning how to move just like one. It's called the bear crawl, and it's hands down one of the best moves for building strength and coordination. The key to remember here is keep your back flat like a table and move your opposite hand and opposite foot, just like a real bear. When I played football in school, we used to do bear races all the time. It helped with endurance, core control, and grit. This move is also great because it teaches your brain and your body to work together. That's called cross-body movement. And it's incredible for focus, balance, and control, especially in kids. Now, can you move like a strong, silent bear? Let's try it. Let's do 10 steps forward and 10 steps back. Ready? Go. All right. I'll see you next time. Remember, be kind, be great, dial it in, and most importantly, keep on sending it.